Hello again. It's time to talk about loading and activating R packages. When you initially install R, it comes with a basic package. You will need a handful of additional packages for the examples in the upcoming videos, including graphics, lubridate, stats, stringer, and utils. In the previous video, we worked in the lower right pane of RStudio to choose our working directory. For setting up our packages, we will be returning to that pane. However, this time, select the Packages tab at the top of the pane. Within the pane, you will see a list of those packages that you currently have installed. However, in order to actually use a package, it must be both installed and activated. If you look at the list, you may notice that some packages have check marks next to them. Those are the packages that have been activated and can therefore be used. With that in mind, scroll through the list of packages to find the ones that you need. If they do not already have a check mark next to them, check them now. After you check an application, look in the Console tab on the lower left. You will see that RStudio has executed the library command to activate the package in question. Sometimes the package you want will not appear on the list in the lower right pane. Have no fear. Let's say that you want to use the package ActiveGP and it is not in the list of packages in R. Near the top of the lower right pane, click on the Install button. Type ActiveGP in the Packages window and click on Install. Looking in the console pane, you will see a series of commands being executed as RStudio locates, downloads, and installs the package. If successful, towards the end, you will see a statement that the package has been, quote, successfully unpacked and MDS sums checked, unquote. Once again, in the pane on the bottom right, you will need to check the box by the package to activate it for use. With our next video, we will, at last, start working with actual data in R.